In this video, I'm going to show you how to glaze a window using 3C's paintable glazing putty. Place it into your cork gun, trim the end to open it, then apply your nozzle. I'm cutting this on a 45-degree angle. And then you start to apply your glazing putty right round the rim of the frame. Once you've completed that, place your glass or perspex into position and gently press this down an equal pressure around all edges. Now I've bedded all of the glazing into position, I need to shape up the bead around the outside. I'm applying more of the glazing putty and shaping this up with a small sharp scraper. Try and get it as smooth as you can around all edges. Once this is dry, you can sand it smooth so it's ready to be painted. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, head over to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.